This short presentation by Sage X3 Platinum partner Citysoft Consulting introduces the different ways system users can interact with Sage X3. Firstly, Sage X3 is a leading mid-market all-in-one ERP system that is particularly well suited to enterprises who operate multiple legal entities and/or sites in one or multiple countries. Sage X3 accommodates all your companies and sites and multiple legislations and languages, if applicable, in a single database. The Sage X3 design means intercompany and intersite transactions, eliminations, and consolidations are seamlessly managed on platform and the user experience optimized around a single login to the system. There are multiple ways to present information in Sage X3 which appear to satisfy both millennials born in the era of the internet and Gen Xers who've grown up using horizontal and vertical menus to navigate around their ERP system. Graphically rich landing pages, shortcuts, and favorites, plus visual and highly configurable processes provide system users a job-on-the-page experience. Screens can be tailored by job role, ensuring system users focus on the matters that require their attention and deal with alerts and approval processes requiring their attention or electronic signature. Sage X3 supports creation of visual processes that simplify a user's interaction with the system. Business process flows can be represented by tiles, which provide direct access to frequently visited screens, reports, and even third-party systems. Sage X3, as a web-native ERP, sizes to the device in use, such as on iPhones and iPads, and PDE units that are often used in a rugged warehouse environment. Mobile users can securely access Sage X3 on a mobile device to not only view data, but create transactions such as sales orders and purchase requests. In fact, any Sage X3 transaction they are permitted to create and to approve documents, record information such as expense claims, and electronic timesheets. Data views in Sage X3 are not constrained to rows and columns, albeit such views are still available, but rather, data can be presented in more appealing and informative buttons or tiles. Configurable displays of data can also present images which can be useful in inventory settings. Sage X3 screens can be tailored to each user or group of users. For example, fields can be removed and processes automated and pre-populated to speed up transactional processing. Screen layouts can be adjusted using the Sage X3 authoring tools. This does not involve programming skills. Sage X3 dashboards are not just pretty to view. They support drill down to underlying data and simple user reconfiguration and filtering to focus decision making on accurate, timely data. Visually appealing workflows provide direct access to underlying screens for data entry or inquiry purposes. Document and file attachments and signatory circuits provide system users with access to business information and the status of any transaction requiring approval. The simplification of screens and the application of visual processes that reflect the exact way that you wish to do business makes Sage X3 a powerful ERP for businesses who need the sophistication to deal with a wide variety of business scenarios, but who can do without the unnecessary complexity and rigidness of many ERP systems. If you're considering Sage X3 for your business, or you use Sage X3 already and aren't capitalizing on the many great user experiences available to you, please contact Citysoft, the leading Sage X3 partner in Australia, for an obligation-free discussion.